Sanibonani bafethu. Yes, I'm back again another one. Yakuthola. Today like in tema ngistora ku Twitter like ngihlangana nerandom postanyana ikhuluma ngoDebohomashi ukuthi abushwanga bamsusile from community just because like akasakwazi uzibamba uvumbula abantu yonke raring bambona ukuthi mental yakho stable yonke raring leyo ningazi ukuthi page le official vele lamaphoyisa or anything, but let's hope ukuthi la yakhona ugrand fethu yabo. Let's hope la yakhona uThabo Shwanga. Let's hope la yakhona ukuthi impilo izoba ngcono bafethu, because into engivisa ubhlungu yonke le situation lena bafethu is that ukuthi abantu abaningi they will never understand izinto zomoya. Mandibe kanjalo la kungangeni kwezinye izinto, they will never understand into zomoya bafethu. Into zomoya sisebenza ngenye indlela, you understand? Into mayibonile ibonile, and mozochaza into ibonile abanye abantu if I make sense emqondweni bazothi kuyahlanya, uyahlanya because it doesn't make sense, you understand? So let's hope ukuthi love uzoba grand, let's hope love ukuthi uzo recover, and let's hope love ukuthi whatever adlula kuyo uzobuya ichaze. Ngiyayibona into le, because manje sesiya assume yonke rating leyo wonke umuntu acabanga yayibona way sonke sesiyacabanga situation ka love, yayibona into le. But let's hope ukuthi love uzoba grand yabo, and let's hope ukuthi uzokhama down abe grand, and uzothola abantu like abadlila kakhulu about indaba zomoya bakwazi ukumlekelela ukuthi abe grand yabo, because into ebalekile situation akuyo manje kumele athole abantu abazokwazi ukumlekelela ngesimo somoya phela. Yinto ayidingayo no, akadingi okunye nokunye, udinga just umuntu abazomlekelela isimo somoya, because into endibonayo kuye uzothi seba depressed, mase depressed udla ama drugs yabo, and wadla ama drugs esephelile ke ngawe, because bafethu I depression is whereby la kumqondo uzama understand into zomoya. That's a depression like whereby ucabanga over, you understand? Ngapha uthola ma answer, that's when depression starts. Yayibona yonto le. So monjalo bafethu umqondo ngeke uzi understand into zomoya, you understand? And sometimes angeke understand ubani ofaka situation ethize about situation yomoya, neyabona yonto le. And into ebhlungu yonke into enzakalayo bafethu bomini, abantu didn't understand ukuthi mawenza something ne affecteke umoya thizini, life inakho affecteke umoya thizini, la moya loyana even nomqondo uzolimaza, even nomqondo uzolimaza xa sokhuma into ezingekho ukhuma yangithola abantu bekubheka bavele babona ukuthi lo muntu lona there's something wrong ngalo muntu.